Virat Kohli has been fined 20% of his match fee for his altercation with Aussie opener Sam Consas. 20% fine plus one demerit point for Virat Kohli. The hearing with the match referee lasted for about 10 minutes, and we hear that he gets one demerit point and 20% of his match fees that's docked. Clearly here, Virat Kohli at the wrong side. Literally shoulder bumping Consas, a debutant in that test match, receiving a lot of criticism for it. Virat Kohli has now been fined 20% of his match fee for his altercation with the Aussie opener. 20% fine plus one demerit point for Virat Kohli. The hearing with the match referee lasted for about 10 minutes. What really happened there? Rahul Rawat, our sports correspondent, bringing us more details. Go on, Rahul Rawat, give us more news on Virat Kohli being fined 20% of his match fee. First of all, what is the amount of his match fee? How much does he get paid for that match? What does this really mean? Is he going to also additionally face a ban as speculated for the next test?
Well, that was being speculated because it was a physical contact leads to level 2 offence, which can either lead to a suspension or a number of demerit points and fine, which Virat has been slapped with. Virat Kohli has been slapped with 20% match fees, 20% fine of his match fees. And match fees, of course, runs into lakhs of rupees. So that's one thing. But to be very honest, the Indian team would have had a sigh of relief, because it could have also led to a suspension. Because remember, it's not a verbal altercation; it's a physical contact, and the match referee Andy Pycroft had to just decide whether it was deliberate or it was unintentional. Because in the morning, in the Aussie media, and since morning, this has been the news from Melbourne. Of course, the Australians, they are doing pretty well as far as their batting is concerned. Their opener, Sam Constas, in the morning, when he was just blazing through his knock. What happened? This was very initially at the very initial stages of the match, when Virat Kohli just charged at him while at the end of an over, and just brushed past him, shouldering him at the change of ends. And that is when it seemed that it was it seemed like a deliberate physical contact from Virat Kohli. Now, 20% of fine would not hurt the Indian team or Virat Kohli too much. That one demerit point. So for the Indian team, for Virat Kohli, they'll have to say that they've been let off pretty lightly here, Nabila.
Oh, well, you say that Virat Kohli has been let off lightly. Is that what you're trying to say, Rahul Rawat? Considering that he was the one who instigated that face-off, there's been a lot of talk about his arrogance that could have been avoided. Do you believe that a stricter, a harsher punishment would have been apt? And what likely is more harsher than this?
See, Nabila, that is not for us to decide. See, it happens. It's not the first time that this has happened. That a player has been involved in a physical altercation with another player. When I say physical altercation, don't take it as if they had a scuffle or something. It was just that Virat just walked past Sam Constas, and he just bumped.
That is nothing short of a physical altercation. It was quite clearly instigated.
Yeah, so you can say that. So I would still not use the word. So just to let our viewers know that when we say physical altercation, they didn't have a scuffle or anything of that sort. It was just that Virat just rammed into him, with his shoulder, and thereafter the other opener, he just intervened and got the two separated.
All right.